Hey everyone, today we are looking at the Seki Kyuba KATA Bunka knife by Oishya, a true blend of Japanese craftsmanship and European artistry. This 18cm chef knife is not just a kitchen tool, it's truly a work of art. Crafted from VG10 high-carbon stainless steel, the KATA Bunka is not only razor sharp, but designed to stay that way. The unique hammered finish reduces food sticking, so every cut is clean and smooth. The Mediterranean blue handle is crafted from stabilized maple burl wood, making each knife one of a kind. It's durable, waterproof, and feels incredible in your hand. The reverse tanto tip is perfect for detailed work, while the blade's balance and flat profile makes it ideal for precision cuts. If you're looking for a knife that combines both beauty and performance, the Seki Kyuba KATA Bunka might be a new favorite. You can check our full review on Steamy Kitchen or visit Oishya to check out a knife for yourself.